Today I'm going to show you exactly how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. We start in Google Calendar because that's where the embed code lives. Open calendar.google.com. Sign in if you aren't already. Do this in a desktop browser, not the mobile app. The mobile app doesn't give you the calendar-specific embed settings. In the left sidebar under My Calendars, find the calendar you want on your Notion page. If you're embedding a teammate's calendar, look under Shared Calendars instead. Hover over the calendar name and click the three-dot menu that appears. Choose Settings and Sharing. Don't use the large settings gear at the top. That opens global settings, and the embed code is not there. The correct page opens with your calendar name at the top. Scroll down until you hit Access Permissions. This is the setting most people skip, and then the embedded calendar looks blank to everyone except you. If the Make Available to Public box is unchecked, click it now. A confirmation appears asking if you want to make the calendar public, so click OK. The page refreshes and the permission row shows that the calendar is public. Then pick See All Event Details from the access level options below it. I would not leave this on free/busy. Notion is a place where people need to read actual event names, not just see that you're unavailable. Now scroll further down to Integrate Calendar. You'll see a public URL field and below it an embed code field full of iframe text. The iframe text looks messy, but you don't edit it by hand. Notion just needs the entire string. I skipped the public URL. Notion handles the embed code more reliably, and the public URL tends to turn into a plain bookmark if you paste it in the wrong place. Before you copy, click Customize next to the embed code. The customization screen opens with default view and display options. Set default view to month. I keep Show Calendar Title and Show Navigation on, but I always switch to month because week view gets cramped inside a Notion block. Then click Copy Embed Code. Wait for the copied confirmation so you know it actually grabbed the whole iframe. Now open Notion in another tab and go to the page where the calendar should sit. Click an empty area on that page and type /. A menu pops up, type embed, and click the embed block from the dropdown. I use the / command because it drops the block exactly where I clicked. The block appears with an embed link field. Paste the iframe code into that field. Notion reads it and offers a create embed option. Press enter. The calendar appears as a live block. Give it a second to pull in events. You'll see the month grid inside Notion, and you can click the arrows to check other dates. That's the Google Calendar embedded inside Notion. If the block shows up as plain text instead of a calendar, delete it and try pasting the public URL from the same Google Calendar section instead. That fallback usually fixes a workspace that blocks iframes. Now, two things you'll hit right after this. Click Share in the top right of Notion. Your Google Calendar is public, but this Notion page might not be. If the menu says private or only invited people, your team still won't see the calendar. Set it to anyone with the link can view or invite specific workspace members. While you're here, remember that making the calendar public means anyone with access to this page can read event details, so don't use your personal calendar for anything sensitive. If you want a different default view later, go back to Google Calendar settings for that same calendar. Click Customize next to Embed Code. Change default view to Agenda or Week. Copy the new embed code. Then in Notion, hover over the old embed block, click the 6-dot handle, choose Delete, paste the new code the same way, and press Enter. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and comment saying it helped. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.